Hello folks, my name is Peter, welcome to the channel, and today we are flipping a bike. I was courageous enough to buy another flip bike, so let's take a look what I bought, why I bought it, and what I paid. So I bought this 1998 Suzuki GS500. As you can see, it has this nice orange color. I think it's original because the stickers are underneath the clear coat. It has good tires all the way around. It has this top case. The chain set is good. The brakes fine. We have two sets of keys. 32,000 kilometers. This bike is not really scratched up or dinged up. The only scratches are here on the exhaust, and then couple here, and then there is this blemish, the acid from the battery, because this is the drain for the battery. The acid spilled here, so we have this to take care of. But other than that, this bike is in pretty nice shape. So it's set for 4 years, the lady said. So we need to go over it, check the carbs. She even included the new battery, and this bike was 900 bucks. And I heard the engine run on the starting fluid, but if the engine will be bad, luckily we have a spare, so there's not much risk involved in this flip project, I guess. I paid 900 bucks for it. I hope it will bring 15, and I hope it just needs the carb cleaned. So we will pull the seat, which I already have, and move the bike to the front, pull the tank, drain the old gas, pull the fairings, pull the carbs, clean them, and we'll see if it will run. As you can see, the tank is off, the carb is out, and the airbox is on the floor there, and the carbs are cracked. So let's see what's hiding inside. Yeah, it's a little bit green, but not powderish. See here, still opens. I should replace these O-rings, but you probably will not, because I'm impatient and I want this to get done today. This one is a little bit cleaner, but still pretty dirty, as you can see. So let's give them a bath in the ultrasonic cleaner and we'll see how it goes. We will also clean this fuel valve. Okay, let's get the bath ready. Let's first pour in the solvent, if I can open this, and we will make sure the drain valve is closed. You should see it is. And now we will pour in this. And then we will top it off with the water, but for those I need two hands. Okay, so as you can see, the carbs are back in. I jumped forward, and we have this thing put together. So let's see if it's going to start and run better. Alright, so let's see. Let's try no choke. It actually runs, and I have a matching t-shirt. Well, it should run a little bit faster. I think it should have like 1250. It should run like this. The engine is a bit clacky. You can see some valve train. You can hear some valve train noise, and maybe even the timing chain. But I think it runs fine enough. As you can see, I gave it a good bath and polish, and the bike looks nice, I think, in my opinion. So it's a little bit ticky, but I think it runs okay. So I cleaned it a bit and I listed it on the internet for 1800. I bought it for 9, so we'll see if we can get at least 15. And I will keep you updated on this one. But this is going to be it for this GS 500. And well, we have another GS 500. This one is for parts. I don't know if the tanks are different, because as you can see, there's a gap. You can stick your finger in and you can stick your fingers in there. So this tank is either different, bigger or something, but this bike is for parts. As you can see, the right cover is busted. The threads are busted in the cover, the forks are bent, the cover of the gauges is broken, this is mangled, and the bike is not really in good condition. But it starts and runs better than that one. I have to press the clutch, hold on. As you can see, it starts right up. This engine runs even smoother than that engine, but hey, it is what it is. So we will try to sell that. In the meantime, that's going to be it for this short episode. If you like this content, please give this video a like, comment, share, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Also, we have something new coming into the shop that cost me $5,000, but I've got it. Well, that was a short video, so it's not over. Because it was so short, I will do a follow-up on that bike. We sold it within, I don't know, like 2 weeks or something like that. I'm really busy. I haven't been able to do so much videos that I wanted to. I have a tons of materials, working mainly on my stuff on cars, on the cabriolet and on the van, but I don't have conclusions for those videos or something like that. So I'm not ready to finish them and upload them. So let's do a follow-up on this GS 500. So the cost breakdown. The GS 500 was picked up for $900. The price of gas and everything associated with it getting here is just under $1,000. We are into it. And then the registration fee, which was 110, and we put just our labor and couple O-rings into the carburetors, and $10 worth of fuel, and the bike ran a little bit clacky, but I think it will be probably fine. Now once I set it, it will break down. But we sold that, and we sold it for 1800, so it leaves us with a profit of 700 approximately, and we can sink that profit, I don't know, into cars or something like that. So if you want to see my next failure point, this one so far wasn't, Make sure to subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.